Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for clicking on the video and watching. I did this eye look, only the eyes, because I still haven't had a chance to sit down and lay out a schedule for me to record and edit. I do have to put that in an agenda and kind of work through my day. So for now, when my daughter naps, I record. And I know the videos are going to be a little bit boring at first because I'm voicing over. I'm not really interacting because I have to be quiet when she's napping, or I just have to be fast. And either way, it's a really good tutorial, and I took my time to make sure we got the details in the eyes. If you like this eye look, please keep watching, and let's get started. Get ready to see me without this eye makeup. Bye. So for this tutorial, I didn't want to list the exact shades and the exact palettes that I used because on Instagram I get asked a lot and most people don't have the exact same palettes as I do. So I simply just directed a caption with the color and similar color and texture that you can use. I hope you guys like it this way. If you don't, the details will always be in the description box, but I just wanted to test this out and see if it helps more people than to really talk about the products. So for this video, that's why you will see just me listing colors as opposed to shades. Let me know if this helps you guys. So when I am using my fingers to tap on any product onto my lid, I don't try to be perfect, don't try to get it in a straight line. You're simply just tacking on a product, and then we can go and blend the edges out later. So this is the part where you would smoke out the edges of everything you applied on your lid, and most of those products were shimmer and shiny, so I used a matte shadow, but the matte shadow is very similar to the shadows that I packed onto my lid. For this lip gloss part right here, I really did just want to give you guys a few tips and tricks for this. I wasn't going to an event. I wasn't needing the gloss to last longer than any more than 4 hours. And it did. It lasted about 4 hours. But if you want it to last a little bit longer, and don't mind me struggling on my eyelash right now. Anyway, if you want it to last a little bit longer, I recommend a balm, a lip balm. Those tend to last longer. Also, you can use the lip gloss and mix it with your eyeshadow and then apply it to your eye. And lastly, you can also use a Glossy moisturizer. Try to find one that says, lasting power. And I believe there's one that you can buy at Sephora that is 8 hours lasting power. And you can just have that on top as opposed to lip gloss. It is a nice little glossy moisturizer that works the same exactly. And you guys already know the drill for my lips. If you guys don't and want a tutorial on how I do my lips, please let me know in the comments. Also, please try not to get anything in your eye that does not belong on your eye. Thank you so much. and that completes this whole eye look. I really hope you guys try it out. I really hope that you like it. If you do, and if you have any other suggestions for any other videos, please leave them in the comment section below. I'm gonna list in the description a few helpful tips for you guys, so that if you do try this at home, you can try other methods. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.